Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. In this video I'm going to show you how to change an object's perspective. Decrease the opacity of your image by about 80%. It will make it easier to match your object to your pattern perspective. Next, go to Edit and choose Perspective Warp. Click on your document to produce a mesh outline. Now drag the point to the corner of your object. Repeat the process until you complete each side. And then click Warp. Now move each point to match the object that you want to copy. Once done, hit Enter. Then restore the opacity to 100%. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.